China is a very special place for robotics. It has exactly the right ingredients for the things necessary for us to usher in this new age. First and foremost, you need AI expertise. What we've unlocked with the possibility of AI over the last decade, and particularly with the modern AI that we have, with generative AI, transformer models, and the reasoning models we're bringing in, this was the missing puzzle piece for us to actually create a true robotics industry. The need for robotics, the demand for it, has always been obvious. If we can create the equivalent of manual human labor for dirty, dull, and dangerous jobs, of course there's a market for it. But we were missing the ability to actually create intelligent enough robots to make them useful. So there was kind of no point in building the physical bodies. But now we have it. We have this missing puzzle piece. And here in China, we have half of the world's developers and researchers that are on the forefront of this at the top universities, some of the greatest universities in the world in computer science and AI. The other essential piece is expertise in mechatronics. This technology, unlike the ones we've had in the past decades, which are largely about information, ones and zeros, and the virtual digital space, this one's about the physical world. And so expertise in how to build things inside the physical world and the technology behind materials, behind building components and an ecosystem around all of the pieces necessary to make a robust, cost-effective, useful, fast and powerful robot and robots is essential. And there's really no other country in the world that has those capabilities like China does. And finally, the massive manufacturing base that's here in China is essential for us to actually learn how to not only build these robots, but how to deploy them and understand from the deployments how to make the next iteration better. Iterating quickly is essential. We need to evolve these robots very quickly. And so deploying them at scale in large numbers in existing industries is critical for us to collect the data from the real world about how these robots behave, how they're going to be used, and make them better and better. All of the necessary ingredients are right here. And so I think what we are feeling here, the general positivity and optimism at WRC right now, is a result of these things all being available here in China.